Hey guys, it's me Jack again with another video for you guys. And today we are doing a double uploaded video. And in this double uploaded video, after that Toy Story sauce story, we are reacting to another episode of Woody the Woodpecker. And this one is Woody Woodpecker in, it doesn't say the title, but it says at the start of the intro, Woody Woodpecker in Tea Time. If you can tell by the title, it says T-E-E, time, not like T-E-A, time. It's a bit weird, like tea time. Something like this. Well, I don't know. I don't know what this episode is, but we are going to find out what it is. Before we start off with the video, please don't forget to press that like button, subscribe button, and don't forget to turn those notifications so you don't miss out on the new video that I upload. Because if you don't turn those notifications on, you'll miss out on my new videos. So yeah. So just gonna tell you guys. Let me think. What was I gonna tell you? What was it I was gonna tell you guys? Let me think. Oh, thick. Oh my god. Oh my dude. My mugger. I can't think of it. Why am I saying my mugger? I don't have a mugger. Oh my god. What the hell? Oh no, muggers. I know what muggers are. Those, you know what? If you don't know what muggers are, guys, muggers is where people mug you. It's where people steal all your shit and money. That's what. Because I don't know why I said my mugger. Because there's no muggers. I haven't got a mugger. Makes it like fucking weird. A minute. What am I gonna think of? Oh yeah, the reason why I tapped it before after when I said please subscribe and all that. Don't forget. I was tapping it to make sure it was the start, and it was. I was just making sure it was, because if it wasn't to the start, it wouldn't be right. But guys, I'm not gonna waste any more of your time. Let's get on with the reaction in 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1, and go. There we go. Oh yeah, this music again, boy. Come on.
A free lifetime membership to anyone who can make a hole-in-one tomorrow.
Oh hell yeah!
Oh,
this is my childhood. Cause I used to watch this as a little kid, guys. Oh no! Funny Ross again, guys. Oh god.
Hello? Yeah? A gig tomorrow? Oh, yoy!
Yoy!
To practice my tuba playing.
What the hell?
Better practice my long drive.
Oh hell, Botkin Woodpecker. Woo! Oh. 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 What? Oh my god, what?
You wanna tell me?
Tooey! What's going on around here?
Sorry there, neighbor. I'll just practice in the other direction.
You're stinking
I'll have to
woodpecker.
drive at least
Stop
300
it shitting
yards
balls in
tomorrow.
my yard.
I better see how far this
Suck
bad
lad,
boy
please
can
say
climb.
Oh come on buddy, let's see how far you go ball goes. That was 300 yards? You said 300 yards, guys. Oh god. Ooh! Oh, that went straight through his hair. Yeah, sort out my hair. Oh! God! Fucking sound cut it out. Sorry guys, sound cut it out there for a minute. That's probably his videos that do it.
Let's do it. What do you know? The perfect target practice.
Oh god, what the fuck? What is he doing? Oh, Woody, no, don't! What the hell's my hair sticking up? Holy crap, raining balls!
Woodpecker?
Ah!
Looks like you got some of my balls.
Oh, he just said, oh, hey neighbour, I think you have some of my balls. Oh, that sounds inappropriate. Oh, that sounds so inappropriate because it's like down there. Some of my balls. That's kind of like inappropriate. That's like an adult joke. I don't know, but it's kind of like an adult joke. That's what I believe. But I hope you guys really like that part there. What am I saying? I hope you guys like that part where he threw the balls in there. Fucking hell. I'm going to talk about that now. So guys, what happened was, I don't understand why he was raining balls, but you know what it is? I think it was because he's an idiot. That's why. He was an absolute fool. That's why he's like, oh, you got some of my balls. Like, really? I'm like, what the fuck? Also, guys, the reason why there's cuts, like the cut noise in there, is because it's his. If you don't hear it in the actual video down there, that's not because my camera's doing it. It's because the actual Razor shows himself. That's what's doing it. But I'm going to start off with it now again.
What comes in my yard, stays in my yard.
Stays in your yard, Woody.
Come on. Be a sport and just give him back.
I said no.
Okay. I guess you just don't have it in you.
Have what in me?
You can't blow hard enough on that thing to send those balls back.
Oh, I bet he would.
Yeah?
Come on, you fat lump boy.
Well, what do you know? You're a real big bag of air
What?
after all.
How the hell do they have that big fucking... What the fuck? What they had the how did the Chili Willy thing in it? And that bit. What is he doing? You absolute fucking twat. He fucking just broke his...
Better get 40
He just
links
broke
if I
his
want to be
club.
fresh on the links.
Oh god, something's gonna happen in it. Fuck again! Why the fuck, Razor? Oh my god. I cut again, guys. What is that? Why is he playing the trumpet? Oh god. Yeah.
Close one, eh?
Oh guys, it might be my actual things itself. It might just be this. I don't know. It might be my
This
actual
woodpecker's gonna do what a woodpecker's gotta do.
Go on, buddy, get him. Whoa, how did...
I'm Hans von Silencio,
Whoa.
the greatest tuba player of all time. Yeah.
Yeah.
I was passing
What
by
do you
when
call
I heard you
Continua?
playing.
The Sweden.
Oh, maestro, I have heard of your great...
Silence! What you're playing is missing is silence.
That's silence
You should be so
music.
good
Like
that
music.
the audience could actually fall and sleep in their chairs.
Yeah.
Sleep in their chairs, yeah. Like that, skis, yeah, chairs. Oh, fuck. Why is it that's so weird? He's wait a minute. Guys, he's trying to speak Sweden. He just started to beat Sweden. What the fuck? Oh my goodness. Guys, that's mad. Why? He tried to speak Sweden. What the fuck? That man, guys, that is crazy. Oh my god, like, sleep. Got often sleep in their chairs, yeah. That's good. I really love that, man. Oh god. Guys, if you like that part, tell me down below, like, Jack, I really love that part where Woody does the sleep in their chairs, yeah, tries to speak Sweden. Like to Woody Walrus. Oh god, wait. Pardon me. Got my drink down, fucking thirsty. Oh, I can taste my dinner. Got sleep. Just to let you guys, I had pasta baked for dinner, and I can taste it. Pasta sauce as well. I can taste the pasta
Loves
sauce.
my playing. Sleep well, Mr. Hans von...
I'm sorry, Wally.
Whoa,
Fuck.
hit me.
What, again? Cut again. It is this video, I bet.
Your young mate, I set my hands on you.
What What the fuck? They actually winning. Because that was in the Christmas one.
Gotta catch my Z's.
Oh, will you shut up, alarm clock? Fucking hell.
It's tea time.
God, man, he looks tired as fuck. I'm drunk. Oh, that fat bitch.
One hole in one coming right down.
Why are you using your broken club? Oh, what the fuck? Oh. They even have a sheep and everything, man. Look. Oh my god, here we go. Here we go. Yes!
A hole in one! We have our newest lifetime club member, Woody Woodpecker!
What?
I was trying to fucking do voice. I was trying to do that when he was saying it. Fucking Jesus, man, calm down, Wally. He's smashing shit up back. Oh my god, what the fuck? Oh my. Yo, guys, he was smashing crap there. What? He was smashing stuff. What the hell, guys? That's crazy. Guys, that was crazy. I was not expecting him to smash shit. Like, I didn't expect the glass to break even. I bet they would, whatever that was trying to actually calm him down. Like, whoa, buddy, calm down. Don't get so bad. Please, man. It was only because he shot the ball into your fucking bloody trumpet, man. You don't need to get your saxophone, boy. No, in your saxophone. I don't know. But, oh, man, my nose is starting again, guys. I don't know what happened, but that was just weird. I must be just a bit weird, guys, because I woke up a bit earlier today. I woke up about, like, 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I feel a bit tired. I didn't go to bed till fucking nearly 20 past 5 in the morning. You know what, I might be going to bed early tonight. Because in my next video, hopefully I'll be better than this. It must be a cold. It must be my cold affecting me. I don't know. It must be just this. It must be tired, guys, because I feel a bit like this. I feel a bit tired because you guys can see me. But guys, I'm going to have to end this video because I don't feel right. I feel absolutely like weird. But guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video. Because I did. Oh my god, man. Before I end this video, guys, please don't forget to press that like button, comment and subscribe. And don't forget to share, friends. And don't forget to turn those notifications so you don't miss out on the new video that I upload. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.